Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So I'm still in Münster and I got the idea to create a video about tourism, specifically vocabulary and phrases you'd use when visiting a new city and asking the locals for some advice. I thought this would give you a good idea as to how non-native English speakers use their English, and I will be correcting any sort of little mistakes they'll be making, which hopefully you can relate to. Also give you an idea for how native English speakers will speak to each other when asking for advice when they're sightseeing around new cities. I hope you all enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here we go. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi. Sorry to interrupt your day.
No worries.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm really sorry to interrupt you, but are you from around here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah?
live in Münster, yeah.
Okay. you live in Münster?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, but could you help me? Do you think?
Of course, yes.
Ja, ne?
Ja, schauen wir mal gleich.
Excuse me. Hi. I'm really sorry to trouble you, but could you help me? I'm new to the city.
Yeah, sure. What are you looking for?
I wonder if I could ask you a quick question because I'm new here. Are you from Münster?
We are both from Münster.
We're from
Yes.
Münster. Great. So I'm a sightseer and I would like to take some pictures. What would you recommend for me to go and see? I'm looking for a place where I can get a good coffee. Would you know?
Coffee. Let me think about it. Yeah, I know a place over here.
So I'm new to the city, but could you recommend a good place to get some food? I'm kind of hungry. Excuse me. Hi. How's it going?
Oh, very good.
Yeah. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm looking for where I might find the train station.
In the train station, there's direction in this one,
Okay.
and then you have to go on the left, and then a few hundred meters on the right and one on the left, and then you get it to the train station.
Oh,
So
wow.
central station.
It's just like in this direction. It's called Fial.
Okay, yeah.
Going there and turn. I think it is the first. You have to turn left.
First left. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I walk there? Is it close?
This is not far distance. It's like about 500 meters or 200.
Okay, amazing.
250.
Cool.
I'm very bad in guessing how far it is.
Okay, but walkable.
Yeah, absolutely walkable.
If you're currently watching this week's episode and thinking, I would also like to improve my English conversational skills, then why don't you consider joining our conversation membership with a 7-day free trial? You'll be joining an inclusive and welcoming atmosphere where mistakes are very encouraged as a way to improve your English speaking skills, and you'll be joining other members from all around the world, plus Easy and I. I truly believe that the best way to improve your conversational skills is just by doing it. Even if you're making mistakes, just speaking in the English language is going to be the best way for you to improve in a very quick way. If you try our 7-day free trial of our conversation membership, you'll be invited to one free group class. We talk for 1 hour every week about different topics that are going to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills, where mistakes are very welcome in an inclusive and nerve-free atmosphere. If you're looking to improve your conversational skills, then why don't you join our conversation membership with our 7-day free trial by clicking the link up here or going to easyenglish.video/membership. And we'll see you in our conversation classes. I'm kind of hungry, and can you recommend any good places to eat in Münster?
It depends what you like, really.
I've never tried typical German food. Maybe it's
typical German food. I don't know. I don't eat typical German food usually.
I think a good place for food is just a little fast food place called Gustav Grün. I
Okay.
think that one is pretty
Yes.
good.
Very nice. You can get some bowls with a salad and stuff on it.
Oh, that's
Very
good.
nice.
Yeah.
Or-
Do they do vegetarian options?
Yes,
Yeah.
just vegetarian.
Oh, really?
Also Aro. Aro,
Yeah.
it's right beside it. Blah, blah.
So right beside that,
Yeah.
at,
okay.
at the castle square.
I'm sightseeing, but I'm also a little bit hungry. Could you recommend anything to go look at and maybe grab like a bite to eat?
Yeah, so I mean, you're kind of in the right spot already. 'Cause
Great.
That's the dome.
Wow,
Actually,
yeah.
don't know.
It's like a cathedral, maybe, or a church. Cathedral?
Yeah. Cathedral, I think.
I don't know. I also don't know.
And there's another church you could see from there.
Here.
Basically, anywhere you go in Münster, you could see churches.
I've noticed. There's also this thing behind you as well, whatever this is.
It's another church, yeah.
Can I walk it, or should I get a taxi, maybe?
We're
Or
walking. It's only 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. And are you guys from Münster?
No, we are not from Münster. We are from Rheine. It's a town 40 kilometers
Far from here.
far from here.
Okay, and so are you also tourists today, like me?
Yeah.
Yo.
But I was in school here in Münster.
Really?
And my studies, I had my studies here.
And do you know they do food?
They do food, but only like snacks besides the coffee. Like,
Okay.
do you know Franzbrötchen?
Do I know what?
Franzbrötchen. It's called Franzbrötchen.
Is-
It's originally where I living
Okay.
in Hamburg, and
wow,
it's like
okay.
during the French. The people from France were staying in Hamburg during the war, and
okay.
there was a pastry like they invented it,
Yeah.
and they got it over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it sweet? Is it savory?
Yeah, it's sweet,
Okay.
pretty sweet, with some very much sugar,
Yeah.
and
okay.
I think some cinnamon. It's also inside. It's like looking like if you got a piece of bread
Yeah.
and smashing into it. It's really strange looking. Really strange looking.
Okay, but it's like French-German
Yeah.
cocktail.
French, no, it's like a German guy invented it for the French people. So this is like
okay.
it's called Franzbrötchen. It's like France.
Nice.
It's inside a name. Yeah.
If you like basically everything on the Egidi-Markt, there is Extrablatt. It's very good. It has basically everything: burgers, wraps, fries.
Yeah, it's like a mainstream restaurant. You can eat everything.
Is it expensive?
No,
No. Okay. Nice.
no.
Yeah, so it's good for lunch, for snacks, something like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes for coffee breaks.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, great. And I also want a coffee too. And so, where is this Giddy-Markt?
You basically go straight here and then take a turn to the right. And then you go over the, how does it say, Zebrastreifen side?
Oh yeah, the zebra crossing.
Yeah, exactly, the zebra crossing. And there it is already.
Oh,
so
perfect.
it's basically very visible. You just need to kind of go out here, out of this sidewalk.
Okay.
Or if you want to eat like traditional food from here in Münster,
yeah. Oh yeah.
then I would say Pinko's Müller is really good.
Okay. Right.
They have more like traditional food. It's not really that great for vegetarian options. They
Okay.
have some, but it's more of a. They have like meat-centered dishes.
That's okay. I'm willing to be flexitarian, so I can try typical German
Yeah.
food.
And-
Where is it though? Could you tell me where it is?
It's called. So it's in the Kuhviertel.
Okay.
Um,
How far away is that?
That's from here. I think like by bike.
Okay.
10 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay.
So not that far. If you just walk there, then it's probably like 15, 20.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
That's good.
And also you can go to Kiepenkerl. There are a lot of vegetarian options and it's very traditional Münster food. You can go right across this place and then you will see it.
Across this like courtyard of this church.
Yes.
Okay,
Exactly.
thanks. So I'd like to get a coffee. Where's a good cafe to go? What would you recommend?
I think you can go to one coffee in this direction on the left side.
Okay.
It's called
Pension Schmid.
Pension Schmid.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
nice.
really good.
Yeah, and do they also do food?
I think yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And maybe, do they have like vegetarian options? Maybe. Do you know it so well?
Yes, they have.
I think they have vegetarian. Yeah.
Okay, great, nice. Thank you so much for your recommendation.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time.
So, have a nice day. No?
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.
I wish you all a good time. No?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's say.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for your help. I appreciate it.
Enjoy the coffee.
Thank you
Go
very
for it.
much. We'll do. See you
And the
later.
Franzbrötchen, don't
And the Franzbrötchen. Thank
right,
you very
yeah.
much.
Thank you too.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Amazing. Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry to interrupt your conversation.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your recommendation. Sorry to interrupt your conversation.
It's okay.
Very welcome.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your help. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching this week's episode, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it and are enjoying this recent series of conversational episodes. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any tips and tricks or phrases you like to use when you're visiting a new city. And if you are interested in improving your conversational skills, then don't forget to check out our 7-day free trial of our conversation membership. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra! So maybe a little bit of acting at the beginning. I pretend I bump into you. Okay.
All right. I just.
Oh wow!
Come on straight, huh?
Wow, you're creative. I love it. Go for it. Okay, yeah.
Just give me a go.
Action.